An octopus can change its skin color and texture in milliseconds to blend into its surroundings. Many crab species can regenerate lost limbs over successive molts, slowly rebuilding a fully functional claw or leg that eventually returns to its original size and strength. A starfish can push its stomach outside its body to envelop and digest prey like mussels and clams, allowing it to eat food larger than its mouth. Some frogs, like the wood frog, survive freezing winters by stopping their heartbeat and allowing ice to form inside their bodies, then thawing and resuming life in spring. Whales produce low-frequency calls that can travel across entire ocean basins, enabling them to communicate with distant pod members over hundreds or even thousands of miles. The sperm whale uses incredibly powerful echolocation clicks, some of the loudest sounds made by any animal, to navigate deep oceans and locate giant squid in near total darkness. Most caterpillars are herbivores, but a few species are carnivorous or cannibalistic. Fish are cold-blooded, meaning their body temperature changes with the environment. Ducklings mainly feed on aquatic plants, grasses, small insects, and tadpoles. They learn what is edible over time while being supervised by their mother. Blue tanks help maintain healthy reef ecosystems by grazing algae, preventing coral suffocation. In the wild, hermit crabs can live more than 30 years, but captive ones often have shorter lifespans due to improper care. Ducks live on every continent except Antarctica and inhabit freshwater and saltwater environments. Panda cubs are born tiny, about the size of a stick of butter, and depend entirely on their mothers for the first months. Many stingrays hide by burying themselves under sand with only their eyes showing. Female crocodiles exhibit strong parental care by guarding nests and assisting hatchlings to water. Sea lions are opportunistic feeders, consuming fish, squid, and sometimes stealing from fishing gear. Seals sleep both on land and while floating in the water. Llamas are domesticated South American camelids used as pack animals for thousands of years. Koalas communicate with loud bellows that males use to attract mates and establish dominance. Hammerhead sharks have different types of teeth in their mouths. Sharp front teeth for grasping and flatter back teeth for crushing prey. Male walruses are generally larger and can weigh over a ton, with Pacific males often bigger than Atlantic ones. Seahorses use their tails to help them hold on to objects. This makes eating food easier and prevents them from being pushed around by the current. Spider crabs live in deep ocean waters and can live over 100 years. Humpback whales are known for their complex songs, which they use for communication and mating.